I'm gonna make a box fan filter that will collect dust, dandruff, dog hair, and more. You'll need to get 4 air filters and a box fan. We're gonna start assembling this, and we need to make sure the front of the fan is gonna face downward in the box. So I'm gonna place these on the side, and you just need to duct tape all of your filters together so that it makes a box. And don't forget to put duct tape on the inside of your box as well. Place your fan face down on top of your filter box, and then all of these edges that have little gaps, you're gonna wanna cover those with tape and make sure your fan is taped to the filters. So I turn the fan on, and I'll show you with this paper towel. You can see the suction on it, that it pulls all the dust, dirt, dandruff, dog hair, everything into the fan, and then it can't get out through this filter. And the last step is take some of the cardboard from your fan. If you don't have it, just get a piece of cardboard, but you're gonna gently tape this to the bottom like that. I'm not gonna do as much tape. That way, if for some reason I need to like clean this out, if there's dog hair or anything like that, I can clean it out.